Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these gorgeous shrink prink earrings. Can you see these lovely layered flowers? So I will share how to do the cutting of the petal, how to do the veining, embossing, how to make the bases, everything in this tutorial. And can you see this? These are looking like a ready-made ones. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I'm starting with making the base first, and I'm taking here circular nested die by Dress My Craft. So this is the set of nested dies in circle shape, and I took 9th die from this set. All the supply links are given in description box, you can check there. And also I'm taking this beautiful green color shrink prink sheet. I have just cut in smaller size so that I can pass it through my cute easy cuts machine. So I'm just sandwiching everything on this. First plate, then shrink prink sheet, then my die facing down, then another plate, and then just pass this sandwich through the easy cuts or any die cut machine. And in one go you will get the perfect circular die cut like this. Now keeping it aside, and the diameter of this circle is approximately 6 centimeters. So if you don't have die, you can just draw the circle on your shrink prink sheet and cut the circle. Now here on my base I have this grid section. I'm just putting it exactly in the center so that I can find out the center line of the circle. Just eyeball it and center it. And then I'm marking one mark on top, one mark in the bottom. And on the left side and the right side of this bottom mark, I am marking on 1 centimeters again. So we have one marking on the top and 3 markings in the bottom. If you don't have this kind of grid, just take one same size circle paper, fold in half, and then you can just simply find out the center of this circle. Now on these markings, I am using my hole punch machine and punching like this. I am using my simple hole machine. This is 4 mm hole punch machine. Keep approx 2 mm gap from the bottom while cutting the hole. And this is done. And it will be our base. So keeping it aside, and now I am cutting my flower as well. So here I am taking this 8 petal daisy flower from the Dress My Craft. I took the 4th die from the set. Again taking the same green color shrink prink sheet, adding my die on top of this and running through the die cut machine. Since this is little intricate, so I am running for 3 to 4 times so that we will get the perfect cut. And the flower is also ready. Then on the flower, this is the shiny side, and on back side we will have the frosted side or matte side. So on matte side you can use any medium to color this or shade this. So here I am using my white color watercolor pencil, and I am just making some veins from center towards the outer side of the petal, just like a shading, and in this way you will get beautiful veins on your petal. Now I am separating each petal from the flower. So I'm just cutting it, and also from both the side you need to shape it properly. So quickly I'm just shaping all the petals. And these are ready to shrink now. Now here I am taking my white color embossing pad and heat resistance tweezers, just holding my die cut on top of the embossing pad and using heat gun I am just shrinking my base first. And can you see the magic? It is shrinking very quickly and I am just loving the process of shrinking very much. Now quickly I am taking one acrylic block and using another acrylic block I am flattening this circle. But now I am not very much happy with the shapes. The other side is not shrunk very well, so I am shrinking it again using heat gun. And now it's looking perfect circle. So quickly I am flattening it while it is hot. And now a coin kind of shape is ready for the base. And see how small this is now after shrinking. And now I am showing you how to shrink the petal. So I am keeping the frosted side up, that is the matte side, holding using tweezer from one corner and then shrinking it using heat gun. It is dancing, yay! And it is shrunk. So I am just putting it on the foam pad and using ball tool, just pushing in one corner and pinching on opposite direction using my fingers. So it should look like this curved shape. Very easy. Similarly, I am making one more so that you will have the exact idea of shrinking and shaping it. If you find this is hard, so you can shrink it again to make it pliable. So in the similar way, I have already prepared some more petals to construct my flower. So keep it ready. Then here I am taking one plastic base and RTV silicone rubber adhesive. Just taking small quantity of glue on the surface and close the lid immediately. Then I am just evenly applying it on the base using nozzle or any stick you can take. And then in the circular motion I will arrange my petals like this. For first layer I am just adding my petals very flat. I am not giving any dimension. And in the first row I am going to add total 15 petals. So first row is done, and now for the next row I am adding total 8 petals. Maybe you require little less or little more petals. So it's not compulsory that you have to use 15 and 8 petals. According to your requirement or according to the quantity of glue, you can simply add or subtract 1 or 2 petals. It doesn't matter so much. Just fixing it properly, shaping all the petals while the glue is wet. Silicone glue gives us 5 to 10 minutes so that we can arrange our petals nicely, and then we can allow it to dry. And then I'm taking this beautiful diamond for the center. Now allow the flower to dry completely for 1 day, and then I'm starting with making the hangings for our earring. So here I am taking this head pin, or it is also called ball pin. This is from one corner, it has pearl kind of shape, and now I'm just passing one 3 mm white color pearl through this. Taking one toothpick, hold your wire like this, just fold it and twist the wire using toothpick for 3 to 4 times, and your cute hanging is ready. Very easy. Now cut the excess wire and secure the end of the wire using plier so that it will not get hurt to anyone. In the same way, we need total 6 pearl hangings. Now I am taking one more ball pin, passing one small flower cap through this, then green color bead, then one more flower cap, and again doing the same process using toothpick, making some rounds, cutting the excess wire, and the green hanging is also done. So in total we need these type of 3 green color hangings. Now I'm taking one head pin like this, passing one diamond pearl through this, then one big size flower cap, big size pearl, then again big size flower cap, and holding it tightly from one corner and twisting the remaining wire using plier and making one loop like this. So all the hangings are done. Now taking one silver color jump ring, just opening it, passing this big hanging through this, and then passing from the center bottom hole of the green color coin. Then just secure the jump ring. Like this. Then taking one more silver jump ring, open it, pass the green bead, and then on the left and right side I am passing one small pearl hangings, and then attaching this with the bottom part of the big hanging. Like this, looking super cute. Now taking one more jump ring, passing one small pearl hanging, then green bead hanging, and then one more pearl. Then attaching with the left and right sides. So this is the right side, and similarly I will add the same combination on another side. And this is done. Looking so pretty. Then here I am taking one silver color earring hook and opening the bottom part of the hook using plier. Then this is my shiny side, so I will keep the shiny side up, and I am just inserting my silver hook through the top hole and then securing the bottom loop. And the super cute earring base is ready. Then taking back my flower, and it's completely dried. Now take any sharp blade and pass it through the bottom part. Do it very slowly and cut your flower. You can do it very easily because the base is plastic, so you can peel it off very easily. And it's perfectly dried. Now you can just cut the excess glue if there any using scissors. Then taking back my base and using the same RTV silicone glue, I am just going to attach my flower with the base. So just add little bit of the glue with your flower. Close the cap of the glue immediately, and then I am just sticking the flower with the green base. Again, allow it to dry for 5 to 6 hours. Just check from backside that the circle is in the center of the flower, and this is ready. So pretty. In the same way, I have already prepared one more earring, and the cute pair is completely done. You can use this for upcoming festive season or wedding season, or also you can gift it on the Mehendi ceremony to your best friend or any family member. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.